Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. M is a father of N, who is the son of V. In order to know the relation of M to P, which of the statement or statements is or are necessary. And statement number 1, P is a brother of V. And statement number 2, the daughter of N is the granddaughter of V. And you have to choose the correct answer. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready, you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So let's follow the logic of the problem. And we are told that M is a father of N. So let's draw a pedigree. So we are told that M is a father of N. And N is a son of V. So N is a son, so N is a male and son of V. We know that father is M, so V only can be his mother. And now let's analyze two statements. Statement P. Statement number 1, P is a brother of V. So V has a brother. So I am using different color to show that this is statement number 1. And this is P, who is the brother of V. And statement number 2, the daughter of N is a granddaughter of V. So N has a daughter, so N have to be married, and he has a daughter basically without any letter here. So here is a daughter of N, and daughter of N is a granddaughter of V. So in order to establish relationship between M and P, which statement do we need? So he is a M and he is a P. And of course, as you see, in order to establish relationship between M and P, we just need only first statement. So according to this pedigree, we can say that M is going to be a brother-in-law of P. And we also can say P is a brother-in-law of M. We also can add here parents of P and V. So we would have a full pedigree. And again, P is going to be a brother of M's wife, and brother of M's wife V we call brother-in-law. And we just need this first statement, and we don't need the second statement, which doesn't help us to establish a relationship between M and P. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.